Alright, I'm going to try to open up this Abus Titalium 9050. It's a beautiful lock. Shredded shackle all the way around. Schlage keyway. I'll show you the key in a second. Tried to open this a couple times on camera without success. Got that overset trap in number 2 and number 4 that I've been struggling to overcome. I have opened this lock, but never while the camera has been running. Alright, let's try a pry bar in 50 thousandths. A medium hook made by West Coast Picks. Okay, it's got a false set off of one. And one definitely seems to be a gatekeeper because I have to go back and set it. Basically after every other pin that I set. A lot I'm oversetting, I know, but even when I know that's at the right one for some reason will just drop. Overset that. Let off a click, try again. One more click. There we go. Okay, we got our false set again. Golly. Alright. I think I saved it. Whoa. Tried to force that and clearly it did not work. There we go. All right. I'm curious to see what's inside this. Phillips head. Okay, how do I want to do this? I'm always kind of intimidated by Abus cores. This is a pinning window, right? Is that a thing? I'm gonna lock it up. The hardest thing is you don't want to lose that. Okay, I am going to use a shim actually. I do not have one out. I can grab one quickly. This may end up horribly. So we shall see. Let's get off the circlip. All right. I think that comes out. Okay. Where are my tweezers even? Does this part come out yet? Not yet, okay. All right, let's see how this ends up. Hopefully it goes smooth, but no promises. Oh, and I have to press that. All right, that wasn't horrible. 5 pins. You can see there. Nothing too fancy about the key pins, but I don't know why there would be on just a normal Abus padlock. Some of their Euro cylinders, sure, of course, but not on a padlock. We're going to start with number 5. Five is a spool, steel spring. 4 is also a spool. I'm assuming all the springs are the same. In fact, I'll probably just leave in the springs to make it a little bit easier on myself. Yeah, this is a well-made lock. No modifications to the core or anything. Oh, sorry for the camera, because it is just a normal lock. But let's see what we have here. All the key pins are normal. Number 1, single serrated or barrel pin, whatever you want to call it. Then all the rest of them are these fairly shallow Abus pools. So I was getting a full set, but it was never anything major. Alright guys, that is what is in this lock. This was a really fun lock. I very much enjoyed it. If you ever had the chance to take out the actuator and everything I was hoping not to have happen, do not do that. Don't do that, that's no fun. But if you ever had the chance to play around with an Abus 9050, I'd recommend it. They're a pretty fun lock. Alright, if you have any questions, leave them below. If you liked what you saw, please like and subscribe. And thank you for watching.